Okay. So, in my opinion, English is the most spoken language in the world, and everyone should know how to communicate in English. Many people are reluctant to speak in English because they have too much proud in their mother tongue, but it's not spoken everywhere. So we must learn English because it's the lingua franca of the world, and they must know it in order to communicate with anyone in this world. And people who want to go abroad, they must uh, know English, and they must take the IELTS test, which is an international English language testing system exam. So they must take this exam and get good good score at this exam in order to get a good college or university outside in any English speaking country. So in my opinion, you must know English, and it's good to know uh, English. It's good to know any language which is different from our mother tongue, and it's an additional skill. It's an additional point to your resume, and it also builds a strong portfolio for you because you have knowledge of languages which are not native to you. So it also impresses the person who is in front of you that you have a better command at a language which is not yours. So we must know English, and I would suggest everyone to know multiple languages which are not native to them. Like people are learning English, German, Spanish. These languages are not Indian, but people are learning them because first they want to go outside, they want to learn, they want to study in abroad, and and uh, so yeah, they are learning these languages. Apart from that, they also learn these languages just to enhance their communication skills, just so that they can communicate with the outside world. So yeah, that's my opinion on this, and I advise everyone to learn as many as languages as you can in their life. So yeah, that's it.
So should people join this institute for IELTS? What do you want to say about it?
So I think that people must join this institute because sir, who is Suraj sir, who is very helpful, and he is very good at teaching, and his communication skills are too good. So he is very good at teaching, and all the students here, they are very helpful, and they are very supportive, and they'll cheer you up whenever it's your turn uh, to come up on the stage. So people here are very supportive and uh, very supportive and very they all think for your growth. So everyone here is uh, growth. Uh, everyone has growth in their mind, and they all have positive mindset. So yeah, people must join this institute, and the vibe here is full of positivity. So yeah, we must join this institute.
So which country do you want to go? Do you want to go USA or do you want to go Canada? Which country do you want to go?
So currently, I want to move to Canada because uh, first thing, my sister resides there, so I have better a support system there, and she's like I already have better connection in Canada, uh, and I don't have anyone in US, so I don't think of moving to US. So because of that, my sister and like they have better connections and better stability there, so I've thought of moving to Canada.
So let me give you another task. Right now you have got to speak on social media. Let me tell you, it is a critical thinking class right now, right away. When I will be saying bounce, you have to speak negative side of the topic, mean to say on social media. First, you have to start from the positive side. When I will say bounce, then you have to speak on the negative side. Have you got it?
Yes.
So speak on social media. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay. So social media, it's like uh, it's a communication which you do online. Like social media consists of many platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Threads. Like these all consist of social. These all comprises social media. Bounce. Okay. The first. Okay. The first con is people they get too addictive about it, and they don't get the information about what time is it. So people they start doom scrolling, and it takes a lot of time. It waste lot of their time. So we must uh, put a time restrictions on how much social media we are consuming. So, and social media, it's like many models and influencers, they post their pictures and videos online. So we start comparing ourselves with heavily uh, put on makeup by the influencers. So we start comparing ourselves with the fake reality. So starts to it starts to create fake imaginations among people, and they start comparing reality with um, social media. It also spreads rumors, and like um, in terms of these AI and all, many people have started making deepfakes, and it has started, and people have started circulating these fake images and fake videos online, and people have started believing that also. So uh, it has it has okay. Social media is it's apart from that, social media also brings news, and also it also brings a lot of positivity, like yeah. Hmm. 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 Pe- hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. So people there, like they share their everything. Earlier when social videos was not so much prevalent, only super only. Hmm. Okay. 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 Only. Hmm. Only celebrities and influencers, only celebrities and big celebs, they can post. Okay. When social media was not so much prevalent, only celebrities and superstars, they were generally covered by the main media. But after social media started rising, many individuals like we. Okay. So social media, uh, it can also waste a lot of your time, and it we don't even realize how much time we have spent. So it's like we we are spending how much time, and we don't even realize how much time we have wasted. So we are wasting. So it uh, it's like so okay. Okay. So social media it. Mhm. Okay. 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 So we don't even realize how much time we have wasted on this. And after scrolling for too many hours, we regret about it, and we don't have anything to do. So we get addictions of this social media, and many people are addicted, and they spend around 6 to 7 hours without even noticing that. So it can create a bad impact on their personal life. They don't give that important precious hours to for their commitment, for their like personal life, and for their relationship. And this can hamper their personal connections and their personal relations with the. So about the pros, social media it also helps in sharing knowledge, and also it can bring information to everyone around the world. Normal people like you and me, earlier we didn't have access to social media. Right now everyone, even if any kid above 16, like they have access to social media, and they can post about it, they can they are on internet, so everything is accessible on internet, and people can access it, and they can share whatever is happening in their life. So in about a decade ago, it was not possible for everyone to be online, but right now, after the existence,
Great, great. So how are you feeling after speaking now?
I'm feeling quite good.
Quite good. Are you feeling chuffed to it, tickle pink, or are you having a whale of a time after speaking on stage?
I'm having a whale of time after speaking on stage, and as I've spoken on many points, and uh, I've spoken about it, and I've shared my views on this. I think I've opened up a little bit, and I've tried to communicate a bit better, and I've uh, with the guidance of sir, I have uh, spoken on many points like pros and cons about social media. So yeah, I've felt a bit better before, after speaking than before.